Welcome class 2, welcome to your English lecture. This is your unit 1 lesson number 3 sharing. Okay, sharing. Today we are going to read a story. Here your book page number 4. Open your book page number 4. Your activity A here is to listen and read the story and answer the following questions. First of all, we are going to read the story. Here we can relate the pictures and read the story. Your first column, look at your first column. It is Eid. Uncle Umar, Auntie Farida and Samir have come to stay for a week, but Ali is unwell. Okay, it is Eid. Umar, Auntie Farida and Samir has to come at their home and stay for a week, but Ali is not feeling well. He is unwell. So Ali mother says, Ali is sick. Please make Samir welcome and be his friends. Okay. Ali's mother saying to his younger daughter, to your brother Ali is sick, so you have to welcome Samir and share your things with him. Okay, make Samir your friend, play with him and share your things with him, mother is saying to her younger daughter. Okay, now look at the picture 2. In the morning, Mama makes some nice snacks. Fiza wants to share with Samir. Okay. Now Mama makes some nice snacks for Fiza and Samir, and Fiza wants to share them with Samir. You can see in picture number 1, Ali is laying on a bed. Okay, Mama is standing on the floor and Fiza is snipping her rope, and Mama is saying to him that Fiza, you have to take care of Samir and welcome his, as your brother Ali is not feeling well and he is sick. And Fiza says, okay Mama, of course I will. In the second picture, Dada is sitting at here. He is eating something and Ali and Fiza is also sitting here on dining table. Mama makes some snacks for him and Fiza wants to share the snack with Samir. Okay. Now Fiza says, would you like a samosa? Good sweets. And Samir reply, good sweets. Now look at the third column. Samir eat his sweet, then he takes Fiza's sweet too. Samir has eaten his sweet and he takes Fiza's too. I don't like samosas, but I'll have your sweet. Haha. He says, I don't like samosa, but you can give me your sweet. Okay. And here you see Dada in the third picture. Dada is sitting here. Okay, and drinking something, and Fiza and Samir is eating their snack. Now look at the fourth one. In the afternoon, now it's afternoon time, the children go into the garden. Okay, they are in the garden now, and Samir is standing here. Fiza comes to Samir and said, would you like to play with my new skipping rope, Samir? Samir answers, no, I don't like skipping rope. That's a girl's game, but I'll have your teddy. Okay, Samir said to him, no, I don't like your skipping rope because it's a girl's game. He thinks that it's a girl game and I'm playing with your teddy. And look at the behind, the Dada is sitting under the tree and he is sleeping like, okay. Now come to your next page. Page number 5 and look at the fifth column here. You can't catch me. Okay, Samir is running and he is saying to Fiza, you can't catch me. Fiza says, please be careful. Okay. Now look at the sixth column. Oh no, poor Teddy. Samir, oops, your teddy is in the tree. Haha. Okay, Samir says, oops, your teddy is in the tree. Haha. And Fiza says, oh no, poor Teddy. Now look at the seventh one. In the evening, Mama gives a glass of milk to Samir and to Fiza. Okay, it's evening time and now Mama gives them a glass of milk to both. Okay, now Samir says, I'll have the milk. It's my milk now, haha. But you drink your milk, that's my milk, okay? Samir says, I'll have the milk, okay? He takes Fiza's milk and said, it's my milk now, haha. And Fizaz replied, but you drink your milk, that one is mine, okay? Fiza is saying that this one is mine, you drink your milk now. Look at the eighth one. That night, Fiza lies in bed, she looks at the stars and she is sad, okay? Fiza is sad now, she looks at the stars and laying in his bed. I want to be Samir's friend, but he doesn't like me. What can I do? And Fiza said, like, I wanted to be a friend with Samir, but he doesn't like me now. What should I do now? Okay, Fiza is like feeling sad. She is sad because of Samir ignorance and because of Samir behavior with her. Samir is teasing her. Samirs don't like to play with her, and he is not behaving like a good boy here. So Fiza is sad now. Now we have to answer the questions which are on the first page. Your questions are why Fiza is sad and what Dada is doing in the pictures. So we have scenes in the picture number 1, 2, 3. Dada is eating something in the first picture. In the second picture, Dada is drinking something, and in the third picture on evening time, he is sitting under the tree and he is sleeping, and in the seventh picture Dada is walking around the table. Okay, so you have to observe that what Dada is doing in the pictures, and you have to tell these things to your mother. Okay, now your next question is why Fiza is sad. So what you think about Fiza's sadness, that why is she so much sad? She is sad because of Samir. Samir is the reason that she is sad. Okay, she wants to be Samir's friend, but Samir's behavior with her is so bad, and Samir is not behaving like a good friend anymore. He is teasing her. He is not playing with her. He is not friendly. He talks. He don't want to talk to her. Okay, so Fiza is sad because of Samir's behavior. Okay, these are your answers from the exercise A. Now your exercise B here is complete the sentences using these words. We have to complete the sentences using the words in a row. The words are night, morning, evening and afternoon. In picture 2 it is dash. What is in the picture 2? Yes, in picture 2 it is morning, and in picture 4 it is dash. What is in the picture 4? Yes, on your page number 4. Yes, it's afternoon time. In picture 4 it is afternoon. What is in the seventh picture? Now look at the seventh picture. What time it is? Yes, when they are drinking the milk. Yes, it's evening time. In picture 7 it is evening. Very good. In picture 8 it is dash. Fiza is laying on the bed. Yes, it's night. In picture 8 it's night. So morning, then afternoon, then evening and then night. These are your answers. Now look at your exercise C. Answer the questions with short answers. Okay, you have to answer these questions with short answer. Does Mama ask Fiza to share with Samir? So your answer is yes, she does, because in the morning Mama says to Fiza that be a friend with Samir and share your things with him. Okay, now your question number 2 is, do Fiza's family stay with Samir's family? No, they don't. Samir's family stay with Fiza's family. This is the right answer. So your answer is no, they don't. Your third question is, do Samir's family stay with Fiza family? Now, do they stay with Fiza family? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Okay, your answer is yes, they do. Now your fourth one is, does Samir eat Fiza sweet? Okay, now tell me. Yes, he does. Okay, he eats Fiza sweet. So yes, he does. Your answer is yes, he does. Now your fifth one is, does Fiza want to drink her milk? Yes, she does. Yes, now she does want to drink her milk, but Samir doesn't want. Okay, Samir doesn't want, but Fiza want to drink her milk. So your answer is yes, she does. Okay, your next one is, does Fiza feel happy when she goes to bed? No, she doesn't feel happy. She feels bad. No, she doesn't feel happy. Exercise D here is discuss what can Fiza do about Samir. Okay, what is the solution for Fiza's problem regarding Samir? So Fiza can tell her mother about Samir's behavior, and she can tell Samir's mother as well. So Fiza have to tell to Samir's mother and her mother as well about Samir's behavior, or she can Tell Samir as well that your behavior with me is not good. Okay, you have to behave well with me like a good friend. Okay, this is the solution for Fiza's problem. Now your task for today is you have to write the answers. You have to write the answers of activity C on your neat notebook. Do these on your neat notebook and write them on your neat notebook. This is your task for today. Read your story, fill in your blanks and write the answer on your neat notebook. Stay blessed, take care and Allah Hafiz. Hope you understand the video.